There's always silence before it happens, the kind that makes your heart forget to beat. In that single second, lives split into before and after. What you'll see next isn't chaos, it's the price of one careless thought. Watch, feel, and remember, safety isn't luck, it's a choice. Choose wisely, and maybe choose to stay with us for more truths the road can't hide. Number 11. This driver thought, just a sharp turn, nothing serious. But hey, trucks aren't bicycles, the load went off balance, and everything went downhill. When you overload, it's not the truck that shakes, it's your fate. Number 10. This guy, I don't even know if he was driving or sleepwalking. Straight road, no focus, and then bam. Maybe too much work, too little rest. Or maybe he thought he was in Formula One. Machines are like humans. Push them too hard, they give up too. Number 9. One truck was already flipped. The next driver said, "I'm not staying behind." And then one reckless move, one loud blast. Ego took the wheel and brakes stopped working. Number 8. These coil rolls, they look like harmless steel, but when balance slips, they turn into weapons. Physics already warned us, gravity never shows mercy. Number 7. Don't know what his rush was. Maybe he thought he was shooting Fast and Furious 11, drove full speed, no control, and smashed right in. Speed gives thrill, but too much thrill gives hospital bills. Number 6. Brakes failed, or fate failed. The explosion was so loud it shook houses nearby. But hey, the driver jumped out just in time. Some people are born with movie timing. Number 5. One hit, truck lost balance and went straight into the valley. The one behind followed right after, like it was some kind of race. Lesson: don't follow vehicles, follow sense. Number 4. Whose fault was it? The bus drivers? The truck drivers? Maybe both. But what did that beautiful gate do wrong? When art meets accident, both end up broken. Number 3. These trainee drivers, man, wrong time, wrong place, and always the wrong overtake. One bad move, one spark, and an entire truck caught fire. Truth is, in life, only overtake when your mind is ahead, not your vehicle. Number 2. Even the fire brigade lost control, crashed straight into a petrol pump car, and boom! The irony, the one meant to put out fires ended up starting one. Number 1. This dumper. The driver thought he was driving a tank, but guess what? The dumper said, "I'm not built for that, bro." The crash shook everything. Luckily, the driver jumped just in time. Otherwise, he'd be trending for the wrong reason. And that's the end of today's ride. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, give it a like up and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. I'll see you tomorrow with another wild video from the road. Until then, take care of yourself, your family, and your car.